안녕하세요. 방금 소개받은 NHN에서 블록체인 웹3 게임 사업팀 리드를 하고 있는 알렉스 함이라고 합니다. Thank you. Hello, I'm Alex Nam from NHN, where I'm leading Web3 game business in my company, which seems like a dinosaur in IT game industry in Korea. Actually, just 2 weeks ago, during GDC, we launched our Web3 platform beta version for part of our project called Pebble. And I wish it had more buzz, but we are moving like low-key to protect our business in Korea. So I think we just at the starting point now. So invited to SheFi. Thank you for inviting me today. And I'm thought about what to say and decide to add some personal reflection to the official company line. So just heads up, this talk is more like my personal thought than the official NHN stance. 회사의 공식 입장이기보다는 제가 이 전의를 하면서 느꼈던 것들을 조금 더 얘기를 하려고 했어요. 왜냐하면 다른 그 컨퍼런스에서는 저희 프로젝트 소개나 그런 오피셜한 내용들이 많이 있었지만 뭔가 슈퍼에는 제가 조금 더 애정이 가기 때문에 좀 재밌는 얘기를 하고 싶었습니다. So, it seems like many of you are deep divers in Web3. So rather than discussing Web3 in depth, because we are just a newcomer, so it's like we are talking about Web3. So I think it's more meaningful to share our perspective and journey as a Web2 gaming company venturing into Web3 world. So I'm excited to dive into the story with you. 웹2 고인물들은 웹3가 너무 낯섭니다. Web2 dinosaur find Web3 baffling. So, what is the number of this? Actually, we are studying as a study group at the beginning because we are in NHN. Actually, our Pebble Origin product is started in 2017 as a mainnet project, but we decided to pause that time and then end of 2021, December, we decided to reboot the Pebble project. So at that time, we just started as a study group. It's more intense like my uni day. So it's been like 6 months to study that. And we making 223 tasks during the study time, and including our C-level and decision maker, that more than 72 members are related in this study. So actually, I just grabbed this slide from one of our first study. The title said, "We know nothing." Actually, at the time, we only know about how making games, how contribute during the platform like Google and Apple, and then how we can marketing for the game. But in a Web3 perspective, we have no idea how we can do that. So the initial goal of our intense study group, main goal was what positioning we should take in the current market, because the current market is totally different compared with 2017. So while it used to make sense to leverage technological strengths to create a mainnet at the time, it's more like the present situation call for meaningful use case application. So we decide to make Web3 game, not a mainnet. So we are focusing on what kind of strengths is fit for Web3 ways. So based on these 3 strengths, like we have over 20 years of operation the game, and also we are expertise in game economy design. And through the 20 years, we are evolution of UI UX in sync with our user, because we are listening a lot of feedback from users and then develop our UI and UX. So in this perspective, so we zoom in the 3 areas. So for us, based on our insight from the 20 years operation, we think community is key in Web3. So we've integrated it in more into our game. Like our strengths in genre, we are kind of the professional, the social casino genre in Korea, because we are top number one revenue in Korean market. So we decide to make a social casino game. So we are trying to make some community game in this social casino structure. Actually, previous speaker Omji said, "Don't make illegal thing," but social casino is not illegal thing. So, yeah, we are more focused on the community game. So we try to make some structure like a community inside of the casino. So we make some membership in it. So some players become a part of the community playing together, and also they become the owner of the casino, so sharing the reward, and then they also sharing that reward with their community member. That kind of system we are focusing on. And second, we look at what game users might want to see or convert on the on-chain. Our bet, we are kind of gambler, so our bet was on this kind of in-game asset with real value is really important to them. So number 3, for more meaningful user experience, we are making Web3 features, Web2 crowded friendly. So we aim to make Web3 features more familiar to Web2 crowders. And for this purpose, we choose Web 2.5 approach, adopting Web3 elements for certain features rather than going for full Web3 DApp. So I bring some example because we are working with L1 partner right now. So here's some interesting reflection on co-work with this Web3 partner, because showcasing the similarity and difference in perspective between the Web3 and Web2 players. So I picked 5 features proposed by our partner. Number 1 is always login. Obviously, it's okay, but we need some kind of customization. And they insist to using on-chain randomness, but in the social casino game, users only believe it when they win, but when they lose, they never believe anything at all. So, and third one is name server. So it's more like we can give some really user-friendly experience, like a gaming username or nickname. So we take this one, and also sponsor guest fee. It's one of the topic everyone is struggling during the study. So we adapt this system and get rid of the paying gas fee during the making our transaction. So, and also NFT cross listing. It's kind of no-brainer. Absolutely quite a beneficial for visibility and sales. So that is the kind of the similarity and difference between Web2, Web3 player. So after a lot of the study time and contemplation, I'm excited to introduce the Pebble project team here. Suddenly Vegas, so it's our strength in genre. So Pebble project is combined by Pebble City, which is Web2 mobile social casino game as itself. And the other part is Pebble platform. So some user play Pebble City as a Web2 mobile game as itself. But when they wanted to play some Web3 features, they just move to or convert to Pebble platform, and then they can enjoy the Web3 feature. Like if they have some kind of asset, they can convert them on our platform. I will show it later. And also, Pebble City is more focused on the design to foster community within the game. So like this. In the Pebble City game, it's not just a slow motion game. So there is multiple casino in it, and it's more like the community inside of the game. So the cool part is that with the casino membership NFT, you are not just playing games, you are part of the casino. You are kind of owner of the casino. So after you keep playing it, you also get a slice of the pie. It means sharing the casino's profit, and you can sharing it with your community member and your friends. So it's kind of totally our version of Web3 game. So based on this system, I think in the Pebble City, this kind of asset like casino and membership NFTs are central of the game's value. So we are taking this and other kind of NFT in-game asset and to the Pebble platform for on-chain conversion, the giving ownership back to the player. And also I can share some showcase about our Pebble platform. You can easily make your account like Web2-like experience. Like you see before, just make some username as your wallet address. And the recovery key is quite simple compared with the other Web3 project. So we are focusing on making it familiar and user-friendly. And also, ready to set up your account. It's easy to connect a game account like one click. It's done. Connect with your game account, and every balance from game side is just convert to the platform side like this. And also, you can quickly turn your item into NFTs. And with that, you are good to go. So these NFT can be listed or traded on the Pebble NFT marketplace, or you can send them anywhere you wish. You know that really well. And also wallet security. We are not talking about the security at all. The system, we don't start with a complex setting. We offer enhanced security option based on users' asset holding size, and we gave them some choice to pick. So this is so far. Actually, the industry in this early stage, I attend several Web3 conference, to quickly grasp the market because I'm totally looting from the Web2 side. So, but presenting our project at the GDC or Middle Asia and SheFi was a totally new milestone. So throughout this journey, the sense of mutual support and shared growth in the industry has been evident, I think. We are all pioneers and also practitioners. I really like this word, practitioner, in this space. So introducing even this small part of our project as a beta and sharing it here and GDC and else is kind of to continuously receive feedback. And based on that, we wanted to improve our service from there. So I think the Web3 industry is actively provide feedback each other and from both as users and builders as well. So please experience our beta site and share your thoughts. And reach out to me on Telegram and LinkedIn. I will share the QR code at the end of the presentation. 그리고 이거 얘기하려고 하니까 약간 꼰대 같은데. Actually, watching a SheFi Denver YouTube video, I overheard the session moderator mention how Web3 is male-dominated. Well, I guess I'm hitting the trifecta because I'm in the Korean gaming industry and social casino and the Web3. So even if the game industry is quite a progressive industry, Korea, but much of business side is formed outside office hours. So in that network, and not always welcoming to women. So Korean men, majority having military experience, are trained to be efficient in organization setting. So this is maybe advantageous for executing top-down orders, but sometimes organization also need people who can question and challenge. So Korean woman or any other woman not as deeply trained in this organizational culture are well placed to take on this role. So to question and challenging in constructive ways. I'm navigating this journey myself with its up and down. So in traditional male-dominated environment, women have made a stride often adopting the language of the majority amidst the men. So there are also female roles like the supermom exists too, but what I'm hoping to see more of are diverse role model who utilize their individual strengths, not just gender-defined role. Working in Web3 has been excited because I can meet really, really interesting people in here, and in such an environment, I believe there will be more cases of using their unique strengths to shine. So I wanted to be one of those diverse example myself. Actually, I bring this quote. I put this message on my Telegram quite a while. And the other day, Erica found it, and then she told me it's quite a touching. Because so I thought it's be the perfect note to end on today. The new beginnings are often disguised as painful ending. The change is always tough, but it's lead to a new beginnings. So I'm rooting for everyone who currently is struggling and striving at the start of their new journey. So I'm opening the portal to my Pebble platform to dive in, explore, and don't hesitate to give some feedback to me. I'm all ears. So thank you, everyone. It's been great sharing with you guys. Thank you.